Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I will show you how to make faster iPhone device. So if you want to enhance the speed of your iPhone device, then here you will have to watch this video completely so that you will be able to make faster your iPhone device. So now let's get started how you can make more faster your iPhone device. So now let's get started. First of all, here you will have to open setting of your iPhone device. Then after that, here you will have to scroll it below. Then here you will have to search for Safari browser. So here is Safari, you will have to just simply tap on this. Then after that, here you will have to scroll it below. Then after that, here is the clear history and website data. You will have to just simply tap on this. Then after that, here you will have to tap on. Then here you will have to turn on this toggle, and then here you will need to tap on clear history. Then after that, you will have to again scroll it below, tap on advanced, and then here you will have to tap on website data. After that, here you will have to delete all these website data from here. Here you will have to delete all the website data. Then after that, you will have to tap on done. Then here you will have to close this. Then again open Safari, and then here you will have to turn off all these toggles from here. Then after that, here you will have to close this. Then after that, open setting of your iPhone device. Then here you will have to scroll below, tap on general, then tap on software update, and here you will have to make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest version. Then after that, close this tab. Then again open setting of your iPhone device. Then scroll it below, tap on again general. Then here you will have to tap on iPhone storage, and here you will have to review your iPhone storage, and you will have to delete all the unnecessary data from your storage. Then after deleting all the unnecessary data, you will have to again scroll it below, and here you will have to uninstall all those apps which you don't use often, or those apps which are useless for you. And after doing so, you will have to open all these apps from here. Let's suppose that you want to open this. Then here you will have to offload all these apps from here. Then after that, go back. Again open setting of your iPhone device. Then here you will have to search for accessibility. Just simply tap on this. Then here you will have to tap on motion, and from here turn off the reduce motion from here. Then here is the autoplay animated images. You will have to just simply turn off this. Then here you will have to autoplay video preview. You will have to just simply turn off this. Then after that, go back. Then here you will have to tap on again general, then tap on background app refresh, and here you will have to make sure that the background app refresh toggle should be turned off from here. Then after that, go back, and then here you will have to, if you're using multiple tabs, then you will have to close all tabs from here after using these. Then after that, here you will have to open Safari browser, and here you will have to tap on here, and then here you will have to clear all the history or data if available here, and close all tabs from here by tapping on the deleting sign here. Then after that, here you will have to turn off your iPhone device and turn it on after 1 minute. So after all this setting, hopefully your iPhone device will be more faster and you will be able to use it more smoothly. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.